Welcome back to the channel, my darlings, and welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm cooking up a real treat for you, but because I'm near the washing machine, it's actually related to that. I've got another review for a Malco product, and this time it is Microfibre Refresh. I've used this a couple of times so far, and I've got one more combination of temperature and dosage that I want to test, and that's what's going to be done now. And then at the end of the video I'll do a summary of kind of what my findings were. So far I've tried the small dosage, which is about 25 ml I believe, and then I did that with 30-degree water in the wash. That didn't really work. I didn't think it, though. I had cloths that were soiled like this, and they didn't come out clean at all. So then I tried the large quantity, which I'm just trying to see if I can see on the back here how much that would be. That's 2 ounces of liquid for a large quantity. So this is not a large quantity that I've got, it's still small. And so then I put that on at 40 degrees. That came out really well. So the combination today is going to be 40 degrees, but with the small dosage, which is 1 ounce, or 1 fluid ounce, at 40 degrees. On my washing machine, which is a Samsung, the options I've got, one of the programs that I found that works really well is the synthetics one, which has 40-degree wash if I choose that, 3 rinses, and then I will choose it to spin out at 800. Did it at 400 on one of the cycle things I tried previously, and everything came out so sodden that it didn't really help. So yeah, observations so far, and I don't think these bits are going to change. I would say the cloths come out softer using this as the detergent than using a Delicate's detergent like a Wool Light or own brand one or the Fairy one, which I've had all 3 in the past. I've tried all of those. And also, and this is a very big thing, this doesn't foam up, so the drum doesn't fill with suds. That is important to me personally, because a lot of other people's machines will do this as well. Mine, when it detects too many suds, it will cut the program and wait for them to die down in the drum. And if you haven't got one that's that sophisticated, it will spew them out of the detergent drawer, which is rubbish, as you can imagine. So yeah, it doesn't foam up, but it does seem to clean. So yeah, that's what the trial's going to be. This is the selection of cloths I've got for this. Various different ones in different states of soiling. You had different products on them, so this has got a few different bits all around it. This one I think is from the Cherry Flash, the Malco Cherry Flash liquid wax. So that's from that review. So that's what that product had on it. I've also got the similar one from that review that's got, it's not as dirty either actually, that's got the flex wax on it. So again, different type of wax. I've got one that's had interior cleaning and dressing on, that's had Koch Chemie, Polestar on it, and Aerospace 303. This, well, actually I think the really grubby one actually might have been, yeah, this one I think could have been from the interior one. No, that is the exterior one. Sorry, yeah, I had one that's got the Clean and Shine product from Malco when I was doing that comparison. And I've also chucking in a waffle weave towel in here as well. Typically I wash these separately, but I want to see what the lint transfer is like onto these and anything that can help with that as well. Oh, and finally, I've got a microfiber mop head from my steam cleaning mop, so chuck that in as well, see how it deals with them. Anyway, I'm not going to make you watch this entire wash, that'd be pretty dull. I might do a little shot clip of it in progress so you can see how few suds are in the drum. And we'll just get to the end and we'll see how clean these come out and we'll make some conclusions. Not the most exciting one, I get it, but if it's worth it, it would be a good bit to know, I think. So thank you for watching, thank you to Malco for sending the product. Let's get on with the test. Okay, so the cycle's done, and now it's time to see what the cloths come out like. This is going to be what I can only describe as probably the most disappointing or extreme unboxing video you've ever seen, in the sense that it's now unloading my washing machine. I'm not going to try and be surprised by everything that comes out though. So, right, first cloth. Don't know which one it was, but it's cleaned up nicely. And I imagine this was one of the ones that wasn't too heavily soiled. Looks okay. Yes, I'm doing it cloth by cloth because some of them were really bad, weren't they? Okay, so this was one that was interior cleaning, I'm pretty sure, judging by the marking. Still a bit stained, but it's very soft, very soft. There's no odour either, which is good. I forgot to mention that before. So yeah, it's no scent to it, which is nice. But, yeah, I wouldn't say that's as clean as it could be. I'll tell you what, one of these had really heavy soiling on, didn't it? Like black marks deep into it. Like, there's none of these that come out looking like that. So if that was that one that I thought was matted down, that has come out very, very well. Okay. All right then, so conclusions from that. I think the cloth that I said earlier was still a bit marks and stained. I thought that was from the interior. I don't think so. I think that was the heavily stained one I used on the exterior. That really has come up well. That's very, very good. Yeah, I think this is worth it. I haven't compared it to lots of other ones. I'm not going to. This is good enough for me, it does the job. So what I've found is then washing it at 40 is good. That's fine, I wouldn't go any lower. It didn't seem to perform at all. Then regular detergents are similar to that in my opinion as well. You have to go into the normal detergents you use rather than the delicates and stuff like that to get any performance at 30. In terms of dosage size, so for a small amount, which this certainly is, 1 fluid ounce, that's about 30 ml. The larger loads or heavy soiling perhaps, 2 ounces, about 60 ml. This is sold in 1 gallon, 1 US gallon containers at Slims for £16.20 at the moment, at the time of recording this. That is 3.78 litres apparently. So if you're doing the large 2 ounce dose, the 60 ml one, you'll get about 60 washes, just over from that. And if you're doing the small dosage, you're going to get about 120. So to me, I think that's pretty good. I'd be happy with that. I'd be happy to pay that, and I will pay that when this runs out. I will buy some more. Happy with the performance. I know these dry up fine. They don't need much tumbling afterwards. I always give them a buzz, low heat for about 15-20 minutes, and that's satisfactory. There's plenty of videos about washing microfibres out there. I'll not give you that. This is all a review about the Microfibre Refresh from Malco. And I would say, yes, that is worth it. If you're in the market for one and if you want to try it, I would give this a go. All right, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. And hopefully I'm more likely to be on a car rather than a washing machine and my kitchen floor.